Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new in my vlog, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So for today's videos guys, is I will teach you on how to upload our video into our Premiere. So just follow my screen recording. I will teach you on how to set our videos into Premiere. Okay guys, so first thing you do is you need to go to your YouTube channel. And then select this plus sign to upload video. Select that one and choose upload a video. And after that, we will choose video in our gallery. So we will check here. So we need to select the video. Okay. Put title. So it's up to you. If you just put a description. Uh, we will select private. Then after that one, go back. Then next, just select not for kids. Upload. So okay. So we are waiting for the uploading. So now it's almost done. So now it's already uploaded. So we will go to our. So this video is uploading. Okay. That one is private. So it's ready to watch. So this time we will go to our YouTube studio. We will go to our dashboard. You can type studio.youtube.com. So same this one, studio.youtube.com. So enter that one. So we will select this one. Okay, so we will check our video. So here. So our video is private. So to set this one as premiere, so we need to click this private. So select the private. I will show you. So this is our video that for tutorial only. Then this is our video. Private restriction none, and we upload June 11, 2021 today. So we will click this private. Select that private. As you can see, there is a unlisted, public, set instant premiere or schedule. So if it's up to you if you want to publish this one right now. So before that one, I will show you also in our uh, YouTube apps. So we will go in our video. So you can see that our video will be premiered on 18/06/21 at 19. To publish this one right away, I will show you also. So just click the premiere and then public. Then check the instant premiere. Then we will set a publish. So this one, publish. So this one will be published today. So we will go to our YouTube channel. It's, as we can see, so you can see that premiering now. So now it's already published. I hope you understood on how to set our video in Premiere. So if you have more questions regarding on this topic, you can put your message in our message below, and then I will try to answer your questions, hopefully, and see you in my next vlog. Thank you for watching. So guys, you know how to set our video into Premiere. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share to your friends, and thank you for watching, and see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.